Coordinator, Mr. Adrian L. Barrios. Governor Mariani Villaverde High School, Karayloyan, Pili, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Governor Mariani Villaverde High School, Karayloyan, Pili, Camarines Sur.
And we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Rodolfo Jeff Tino, Honorable Nikki Lagrimas, and Honorable Jose Buboy Villanueva.
Let us now welcome entry number 9, La Consolacion College Bao Incorporated, formerly Santa